Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday! Today we are going to be unboxing a ton of new releases and I'm so excited to swatch everything and just go through it all. So before we get started, if you're new, then welcome. I would love for you to stick around and subscribe down below. I post 3 times a week. The days are up in the air right now, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you are notified as soon as the videos go live. I'm going to try to start doing some unboxings through the week, but then also save some stuff that you may not see on an unboxing to do a full review on. Last week I did a review of the Jaclyn Hill lipsticks as well as the new Natasha Denona palette, and I'm pretty sure I have the new Huda Beauty neon palette, so I'm going to try to get that review up this week. But anyways, that's it for my spiel. I'm excited to dive into these products, so let's get started. Okay, so the first package actually came in this afternoon and I was so excited that I went ahead and opened it up because you guys know I love Nars so much, and they sent over their newest releases. So the first thing that we have is an eyeshadow palette, and this is the Wanted Mini eyeshadow palette, and I haven't saw a mini from them, I don't think, before, like this size in their Wanted palettes. So let's see what it's about. Oh my gosh, this is so itty bitty. I wonder how much this retails for. Let's see here. It retails for $25. It will be available June 19th. So there are those. And oh my gosh, look how cute. I normally don't really get a ton of use out of mini palettes, and I feel like I have some shades that are kind of similar. So I'm not going to swatch this. I'm going to keep it for you guys because I love y'all and I love giving back to you. But the other thing they sent over is some lip oils, which y'all know I'm all about. Like literally right here, if I can grab it. I have the lip oil from their Orgasm collection. So I love it. It's actually, I was going to say it's what I have on. I have it on under this. But I'm going to swatch these for you. So the first one that we have is called High Security. Y'all just have no idea how excited I am that they came out with these 3. This is the first one. I'm going to go ahead and put this over top of this lipstick. It just gives a really nice shine. And here's what it looks like. It's just like a tinted oil. It gives your lips like a little bit of color, but it's super duper hydrating. And it's kind of like that Your Lips But Better, just like a juicy gloss. But here's this one. And again, that is in the shade High Security. Okay, next one is called Primal Instinct. And here's what it looks like. This one's going to be a little bit more nude, which I think is great, especially for for me. I would probably wear this more in the winter time. But even, yeah, I'm going to wear these all the time because I seriously love them so much. So there's that one. And they all kind of look similar. I mean, they're not super duper different. They look a lot different in the packaging, but I feel like at the end of the day, they're just super glossy and fun. And then the last one is called Disco Infernal. And this one's supposed to be like a purpley shade. So, again, there's that one kind of swatched on the hand so you can see. But I love these if you haven't tried the lip oils. Oh my gosh. But basically, if you like something super hydrating that just is like juicy and fruity and whatever, definitely try those because I love them. And thank you so much to Nars for that package. Next package came from Urban Decay. And, ooh, it says UD Perversion on it. So here is what the packaging looks like. It has like little water droplets all over it. And then when you open it up, ooh la la. Okay, so we have the UD Perversion Volumizing Mascara, the Waterproof Volumizing Mascara, and then the Waterproof Fine Point Pen. Ooh, is this a... Let me shake these products out. I'm thinking that's going to be like a eyeliner pen, which is very exciting. Okay, let's see. And I'm excited that all these companies are coming out with waterproof mascaras. It's like they make a really good mascara and then they're doing it in waterproof. I know TwoFace recently did that. Okay, this is a black ink pen. So there's like a couple strokes of it. I mean, it does look really dark. I feel like you would have to not bear down, but like when I first just did it like this, it kind of it just didn't coat it all the way. So I feel like you just have to be specific on where you want it, but it looks like it would be really good. And is it waterproof? Oh, it's waterproof. Girl, you can wear eyeliner in the pool. Okay, I'm going to wipe these swatches off. And also I have my beautiful towel that a subscriber sent me last week so I can wipe off the excess. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much, Urban Decay. And I don't really use a ton of mascara, so some of the mascaras I will be putting in giveaways for you guys. Since I got eyelash extensions, I only have to wear it on the bottom now. And I honestly don't even wear lower lash mascara to work. Like I just do this and that's it. Ooh, okay. Next package is from Glam Glow. Let's see what they sent over. I need to get like a box cutter instead of just using scissors all the time. So here is the Glam Glow packaging. And let's see here. Ooh la la. It's a big old package for, it's got a lot of the little tissue stuff in it. Okay, so it says, Glam Glow, how did #Moisturetrip save your stressed skin? Tag your selfies with Moisturetrip. And it says, instant relief for stressed skin. Ooh. Here is what the packaging looks like. It has like kind of like tie-dye stuff on the bottom. It says new Moisturetrip. It is a lasting hydration, anti-redness, antioxidant, and blue light protection. It has cannabis, sativa seed, hemp oil to nourish. It has a mushroom to protect against high energy visible light, and hyaluronic acid to moisturize. And I think it's like a green one. Ooh, I love this packaging. I actually love their, I think it's called Good in Bed. It's like a really good moisturizer for nighttime. I mean, it doesn't smell bad, but here's what it looks like. I will be interested to try this out. And thank you so much to Glam Glow for that package. Very excited. And I've been loving, you guys, their moisturizer. I have the little like sample pack, and the only one I didn't get was the darkest one because at the time I was like super duper pale. But now I'm wishing I would have got the darkest one because it just makes your skin look really good. Like you could put moisturizer on and just go run errands, and it just makes your skin look, not like you have makeup on, it just makes it look better. Okay, next package we have came from ColourPop. Here's what the packaging looks like. Okay, so it says ColourPop. We've been working overtime to get you every single palette you asked for as fast as possible. Introducing our first ever monochromatic blue palette. I really hope that they, give me a coupon code. I've been seeing a lot of influencers and they normally get like a little packet with like a couple different things in it and then they get a coupon code. So I'm really hoping they give me one so I can give it to y'all. Okay, so here's the little palette, and their little 9-pin palettes, they are not playing games. Like I have the Just Luck one and then I have the other purple one, and like they pack a punch. So Blue Moon, let's get it. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Here's what the packaging looks like. And I love how it's just like little and tiny. Okay, these are very bright. So we have Lumi, we have Debaty, we have Moonlight, we have Starry Eyed. Thought they smelled kind of weird, but they don't. It's just me. Woo, look at those. Okay, let's swatch them. Okay, they weren't playing no games. They came to play. I mean, this looks good. I know I got really excited about the Jeffree Star one, and that one's really good also, but it's, you know, expensive. So I feel like it's just great that ColourPop makes so many affordable palettes. I feel like I will always support ColourPop because they just have such great quality. Look at that blue though. Like, okay. Oh, that one's really pretty. That last one, I think I already swatched that. No, I didn't. Okay, and then last one we have is called Clued In, which is like a really dark blue. So there is that. But these are really, really pretty. I think this palette probably retails for maybe $15 or under that. Maybe even like $12. I'll leave a link down below for you guys so you can check it out. But as always, ColourPop kills the game. I love it. Thank y'all so much. They also sent along some other stuff. I've like placed this different places. This is a glitter rally. Glittery. I can't even say this. Glitterally. Yes, that's what I'm trying to say. Obsessed. Instead of like literally, it's glitterally. It's obsessed. And it's like a ColourPop little glitter. Then we have a Princess Cut Plumping Lip Gloss. I don't know if this is like a lip gloss they've already made. No, this is just like the normal gloss. The clear is what I mean, not normal. And then they sent over some other stuff to go with it. So we have a Blue Ya Mind, which is a mascara in blue, and then they sent over a white and blue eyeliner. So thank you so much, ColourPop, for that package. I definitely want to try the eyeliners. I don't have any of their eyeliners, so I'm really excited to see how they work. Okay, next package came from It Cosmetics. Hopefully after next week, I'll be caught up with packages, because I know some of these might have been here for a little bit, and I'm just like grabbing the first ones I see. Okay, scoot my chair over. Okay, so they sent me this little package right here. And I love these because they have like a little bow. I'll never forget the first package they sent me. I can't remember what was in it, but I just remember that it came in a package like this. And I literally like saved the package because I was so excited to be on their PR list. Oh my gosh, yay! I was really hoping I would get this. So last week I unboxed a package and they sent me over, oh, it's right here. They sent me over the CC cream in light. And I was so excited about that because I've already been through almost 2 bottles, but they literally sent me a couple more shades. Yay! Light medium, medium, and neutral medium. Well, I still might need to order some, but I love this CC cream. It's so good, you guys. This will be really good for me in the wintertime, but I do really like these. Maybe I can mix some like super dark shades that I have in with this, but thank you so much, Decay Cosmetics. And then they also sent over this primer, an oil-free primer. So I love these. Thank you so much. I always love the normal CC cream, and I really like the moisturizing one too, but they ain't got nothing on the matte one. That one's like my favorite. Thank y'all so much for that package. Next package we have came from Market America. The only thing I could think of is maybe it's something from Moda. I haven't gotten anything from them in a really long time, but oh, it is not Moda, Motive. That's exactly what I was meaning. So they sent over this. Okay, so it says Motives. Ooh! Oh, I'm excited about this. Okay. So they came out with 3 different palettes, and these are like palettes. So this one says Boss Babe. I think Boss Babe is probably going to be the one that I would use the most. These are nice, you guys. Okay, so this one is Boss Babe, and you can see right here they have 3 different palettes that they came out with. So it says, Boss Babe, you are the woman. You are confident, successful, and a trendsetter. You are the epitome of fierce and driven. You are never afraid to take control of your life, leading yourself and others to achieve much more than anyone ever imagined. From one Boss Babe to another, I designed this palette with you in mind because you are the only one who can guarantee your success. Preach. Okay, let's swatch this. It kind of reminds me of like the setup of it. Maybe, what is that one brand? Dose of Colors palettes is kind of what it reminded me of at first. I mean, mattes look pretty pigmented. They feel good. They feel creamy. Okay, I see you, Boss Babe. There's that last shade. So here's the mattes. I mean, very pigmented actually. I'm like pretty pigmented. No girl, these slayed. Okay, there's that. And I'm really excited to see what the shimmers look like. Ooh, girl. That one didn't do so well. It's like it didn't even swatch good. It's like, I don't know, almost like there's like a film underneath it. I'm gonna have to break through that barrier because these other ones look real nice. I mean, there's that. Look at how stained my hands are. You might not even be able to see some of these because like this one's super light, but my hand almost has a stain underneath it. Ooh, look at that. Y'all, these are pretty. This last one is called Ego. It is doing that same thing. Let me see if I can try to swatch it with my thumb. Maybe break down the barrier. Maybe it's just like a different formula. Oh, that's what it is. It's like a glittery formula. Okay, let's swatch it on a brush. No, yeah. It's just like a, not, yeah, like a duochrome, but it's not like a super metallic. It's just kind of, I don't know how to describe it. I just recently did the review on Natasha Denona, and one thing I said about her palette is she has a bunch of different formulas. So this is just a different formula, I feel like, than like this one right here, which makes it look a little bit different. But overall, I'm very impressed with that palette. I will probably maybe do like a first impression because I really want to try more. Let's swatch the Gold Digger one because now that first palette has me excited. Like real excited. Oh yes, this is like fall's dream. Y'all, my camera was about to die, so I had to go take care of that. Gold Digger, okay. Look at these. I'm so impressed. Okay, so here is the first shade. And again, it is that formula. Like hopefully y'all can see. It's not like a metallic. It's like a, there you go. It's kind of like a glittery formula. But I really like the most. I like the Slay. This is like, I guess the metallic maybe. Because the glittery ones, I feel like they're almost like a top layer. You know what I mean? And then we have like Hustle. I think that one's another glittery one right there. And then let me swatch Inspiration, Believe, Strong, like here are 3 more. So there are those. Overall, I'm still excited about these. I feel like I like the first palette better than the second one just because those are like more up my color story alley. But either way, thank you so much to Motives. I will save the last one for you guys. It's more of like a darker smoky eye palette. So, and thank you Motives again for that package. They are so sweet. I'll never forget, I'm going back down memory lane today, the first package I ever got from them. So Lauren's sister used to live local to me, and I was in the airport. You guys, our airport's so freaking small. There's like 10 gates, and I looked like crap. It was like 4 a.m. I don't even think I'd went to sleep, like no makeup on, a hot mess. And I heard somebody say, Danielle, and I was like, yes. And it was her sister, and she like introduced herself and said she knew I had a YouTube channel and she saw me and that they would love to send me a package. That was like the first PR package I got, and they sent so much stuff. I was like crying. I think it was like a 20-pound package, and I saw that it had been sent. Like I got the tracking on it, and I was out of town. I'm like, oh my gosh, like I was freaking out because I could see the weight of it. I'm like, what in the world is in that package? So thank y'all for continuing to send me stuff. I appreciate it so much. Okay, let's see if we can do one more. Okay, this is from TwoFace, and again, I am behind on packages. So this is, oh, the newest the newest addition to the Clover collection. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, it says Clover. Instead of Clover, it's Glover. Is that not so precious? Okay, so this is a little highlight, and it has a little puppy on it. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Ooh la la. It's so pretty. So there is that. And a really great thing, I'm going to read this. It says, the newest addition to my Clover collection. To celebrate the launch, TwoFace is donating $25,000 to the Vanderpump Dog Foundation. I don't know if every, like, a percentage of this highlight goes to that foundation, but I just think it's really great that TwoFace is doing that, and this is such an adorable package. So thank you so much to TwoFace. And you guys, that is going to complete this week's PR haul, Mail Haul Monday, PR unboxing. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.